Do you want to transform your aquarium into a thriving underwater jungle without the headaches of high-tech gear or complicated care routines? Whether you're just getting started or want a low-maintenance setup that still looks amazing, this video is for you. Today we're diving into 15 easy beginner aquarium plants that are hardy, beautiful, and perfect for low-tech tanks. No CO2 needed, no special lights. Just plant, enjoy, and watch your tank come to life. 1. Java Fern Microsorum terapus is one of the best beginner aquarium plants thanks to its hardiness, low-maintenance nature, and adaptability to a wide range of tank conditions. It thrives in low to moderate light, doesn't require CO2 or special fertilizers, and can tolerate a variety of water parameters, making it ideal for new aquarists. Unlike most plants, Java Fern doesn't need to be planted in substrate. In fact, bearing its rhizome can cause it to rot. Instead, simply attach it to driftwood, rocks, or decorations using fishing line or aquarium-safe glue. Over time, it will anchor itself naturally and grow slowly but steadily, producing long, textured green leaves that add a lush, jungle-like feel to any tank. Its resilience, low light tolerance, and minimal care requirements make it a staple for any low-tech, beginner-friendly aquarium setup. 2. Anubias nana is a fantastic beginner aquarium plant, thanks to its extreme hardiness, slow growth, and ability to thrive in low-light, low-maintenance setups. Its thick, dark green leaves are resistant to algae and fish nibbling, making it a long-lasting and attractive choice for aquascaping. One of its best features is that it doesn't need to be planted in substrate. In fact, bearing its rhizome can cause it to rot. Instead, simply attach it to driftwood, rocks, or decorations using thread or aquarium-safe glue, and it will anchor itself over time. Anubias nana requires minimal care, no CO2, and grows steadily even in low-tech tanks, making it perfect for new aquarists looking to add a touch of natural beauty without the hassle. 3. Amazon sword, Echinodorus amazonicus, is a popular beginner aquarium plant because of its striking appearance, ease of care, and adaptability to a wide range of tank conditions. Its large, sword-shaped leaves create a lush, jungle-like backdrop that instantly enhances the look of any freshwater tank. This plant thrives in moderate lighting, but can tolerate low light as well, making it suitable for low-tech setups. It prefers to be planted in nutrient-rich substrate, and using root tabs can greatly boost its growth and overall health. Amazon sword doesn't require CO2 injection and grows steadily with minimal attention. Just give it enough space, as it can get quite large, and trim any dying leaves to keep it looking its best. It's an ideal choice for aquarists who want a bold centerpiece plant that's easy to manage. 4. Water Wisteria, Hygrophila deformis, is an excellent aquarium plant for beginners because of its rapid growth, versatility, and ability to thrive in a variety of conditions. Its delicate lace-like leaves add a beautiful, feathery texture to aquascapes, while its fast growth helps absorb excess nutrients, making it great for controlling algae. Water Wisteria can be planted in substrate or floated at the surface, depending on your tank's layout. It does best in moderate lighting, but can adapt to low light as well. CO2 is not required, and it propagates easily by cutting and replanting stems. With minimal care and regular trimming, Water Wisteria can quickly fill out a tank, creating a lush, healthy environment for your fish and invertebrates. 5. Hornwart, Ceratophyllum demersum, is a top choice for beginner aquarists because it's incredibly hardy, fast-growing, and requires virtually no maintenance. It doesn't need to be planted. You can float it freely or anchor it with a weight, and it will thrive in a wide range of water conditions, from cold to tropical tanks. Hornwort grows quickly, making it excellent for absorbing excess nutrients and reducing algae growth. Its bushy, feathery texture provides great hiding spots for fish and fry. It does well in low to moderate light, and no CO2 or fertilization is necessary. Just trim it occasionally to prevent it from overtaking your tank, and enjoy a plant that practically grows itself. 6. Java moss, Taxiphyllum barbieri, is one of the easiest and most versatile plants for beginner aquarists. It thrives in a wide range of water parameters, tolerates low light, and doesn't require CO2 or fertilizers to grow. Java moss can be attached to driftwood, rocks, or mesh to create lush carpets, moss walls, or decorative accents, making it perfect for creative aquascaping. Its dense, tangled growth also provides excellent cover for shrimp, fry, and small fish. This low-maintenance plant only needs occasional trimming to prevent it from becoming too overgrown or collecting debris. Hardy, adaptable, and visually appealing, Java moss is a go-to plant for anyone starting out with a freshwater aquarium. 7. Valisaria, often called val or eelgrass, is an ideal beginner aquarium plant because it's incredibly hardy, fast-growing, and creates a beautiful natural backdrop with its long, ribbon-like leaves. It thrives in a wide range of water conditions, making it perfect for new aquarists who are still learning the ropes. Valisaria grows well in low to moderate light and doesn't need CO2 supplementation. Plant it directly into the substrate, and it will quickly start sending out runners, forming a dense, grassy landscape over time. It's a great oxygenator, helps absorb excess nutrients, and provides shelter for fish and fry. With minimal care and occasional thinning, Valisaria can transform a basic tank into a lush underwater meadow. 8. Cryptocorinus Wenti is a fantastic plant for beginners due to its hardiness, adaptability, and attractive appearance. It comes in various colors, green, bronze, and reddish-brown, adding natural depth and contrast to any aquascape. This plant thrives in low to moderate light and doesn't require CO2, making it perfect for low-tech setups. Plant it in the substrate, and it will slowly establish a strong root system. One thing to note is that it may experience crypt melt, where leaves die back when first introduced or when tank conditions change, but it will regrow once it settles in. With minimal maintenance and the ability to thrive in a variety of water parameters, Cryptocorinus Wenti is a reliable, long-lasting addition to any freshwater tank. 9. Hydralia Polyperma is an excellent choice for beginner aquarium enthusiasts due to its rapid growth, ease of care, and versatility. This plant adapts well to a range of tank conditions, including low to moderate light, and doesn't require CO2 supplementation, making it perfect for low-tech setups. Its lush, bright green leaves grow quickly, helping to outcompete algae and improve water quality by absorbing excess nutrients. Hydralia Polyperma can be planted in substrate or left floating, and it propagates easily by cutting the stems and replanting them. Regular trimming helps maintain a neat appearance and promotes bushier growth. With minimal care and the ability to thrive in a variety of environments, this plant is a great addition to any aquarium. 10. Dwarf Sagittaria, Sagittaria subulata, is an ideal plant for beginner aquarists due to its hardiness, fast growth, and ability to thrive in a variety of aquarium conditions. This compact grass-like plant makes a great foreground or carpeting option, offering a lush green look that adds depth to your aquascape. Dwarf Sagittaria is easy to care for, as it can grow well in low to moderate light and doesn't require CO2 supplementation. Simply plant it in nutrient-rich substrate, and it will quickly spread through runners, filling in empty spaces. It's also relatively low maintenance. Occasional trimming helps control its growth. Perfect for beginner tanks, Dwarf Sagittaria provides a natural, grassy appearance with minimal effort. 11. Bakopa Carolinaa is a fantastic beginner-friendly aquarium plant known for its ease of care, beautiful growth, and adaptability to a variety of tank setups. With its thick, fleshy leaves and vibrant green color, it adds a striking vertical element to the aquascape. Bakopa Carolinaa thrives in low to moderate light and can do well in both nutrient-rich substrates and low-tech environments, making it perfect for new aquarists. It grows quickly, producing sturdy, upright stems that can be trimmed and replanted for propagation. This plant doesn't require CO2 or fertilizers to flourish, although it benefits from regular pruning to encourage bushier growth. Whether used in the mid-ground or background of a tank, Bakopa Carolinaa offers a low-maintenance, hardy plant option for beginners. 12. Rotala Rotundapolia is a fantastic choice for beginner aquarists looking to add vibrant color and texture to their tanks. Known for its fast growth and beautiful red or pink hues, especially under moderate to high lighting, it offers a striking contrast to the greenery in your aquascape. While it thrives in moderate lighting, it can also adapt to lower light levels, making it suitable for low-tech setups. This plant is easy to care for, requiring only basic nutrient-rich substrate and occasional trimming to maintain a tidy appearance and promote bushier growth. It propagates by cutting and replanting the stems, and although it benefits from CO2 injection for optimal growth, it can still do well in tanks without it. With minimal maintenance, Rotala Rotundapolia provides a colorful, hardy addition to any beginner aquarium. 13. Frogbit, Limnobbium Leagotum, is an excellent plant for beginner aquarists due to its low-maintenance nature and versatility. This floating plant features round, lily pad-like leaves that create a natural, peaceful atmosphere in the tank while providing shade and hiding spots for fish and shrimp. Frogbit is incredibly easy to care for, thriving in low to moderate light and requiring no substrate or CO2 supplementation. Its rapid growth helps absorb excess nutrients, which can aid in algae control. Just ensure that the water surface isn't overcrowded, as too many floating plants can limit light for other plants below. Regular thinning may be needed to keep it from taking over the surface, but with minimal care, Frogbit adds both beauty and function to any aquarium. 14. Salvinia is an ideal plant for beginner aquarists due to its fast growth, ease of care, and ability to thrive in a variety of conditions. This floating fern is known for its unique, fuzzy, water-repellent leaves that create a lush, green canopy on the surface of the tank. Salvinia grows quickly, helping to absorb excess nutrients and reduce algae growth, which makes it a natural water purifier. It thrives in low to moderate light and doesn't require substrate or CO2, making it perfect for low-tech setups. Since it floats freely, it doesn't need to be anchored, but it may need occasional thinning to prevent it from blocking too much light from reaching plants below. With minimal maintenance and quick growth, Salvinia is a great addition for beginner aquariums. 15. Maramo moss balls, Aquarium lineae, are a fantastic choice for beginner aquarists due to their low-maintenance nature and unique appearance. These round, velvety algae balls require very little care. They don't need substrate, CO2, or special lighting. Simply place them in the tank and they'll happily float or rest on the substrate, slowly growing over time. Maramo moss balls help improve water quality by absorbing nitrates and can also be gently rolled or rinsed every couple of weeks to keep them clean. They're particularly appealing in smaller tanks and are safe for fish and shrimp. Their slow growth and easy care make them a perfect addition for those new to aquarium keeping. And there you have it, 15 easy, beginner-friendly aquarium plants that can turn even a basic tank into a living work of art. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on creating the perfect home aquarium. Got a favorite plant we missed? Drop it in the comments below. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 18 gorgeous houseplants that thrive without sunlight. Thanks for watching, and happy aquascaping!